Hey y'all, we just got this little remote control construction trucks, and let's just get it open and see what's in the box. So there is an on and off switch back here, and I just had to remove the battery cover and just connect the rechargeable battery up. So it does come with a charging cord for the battery that's included in this vehicle. And I just had to put 2 AA batteries in the remote control, and we'll just get it turned on and get started here.
It burns.
So there's just a couple buttons on here. One of these top ones lifts and lowers, the other one lowers. Then just to go right, left, forward, backwards, it's these controls. And then there's the sounds, the beeping horn and starting of the truck. And you can turn the volume up and down by pressing one of these buttons as well. So it's a pretty nifty little thing. You could take it out to your sandbox and dig up some dirt, or just keep it inside and just lift blocks and Legos and different stuff. It does come with a couple little construction cones and little caution, no trucks allowed signs. So just very creative and so much fun for your little boy or little girl to have. I love the detail on the truck. It's like got hydraulics, and just there's like a little spot to put like a little guy in. But I think it's so fun and so realistic looking, and I think it will actually help improve my little guy with his driving skills and with using a remote control. He's still learning, he's still pretty young, but there's lots of fun to be had. So if you're looking for a great gift for a little guy in your life, I think this would be a perfect choice.